this is the spirit of '02. She was found in November of 1974. Found her in a gully at Easterwood Airport by some cadets. She's kept here at Parsons Mounted Cavalry at Fiddler's Green off of 2818. And every week, if it's a home game, we ride in, we drag her behind a 4-horse team to the quad and then to the Kyle Field where we stage her and we fire her for whenever we score points for the football game. So I guess I'll show you how it works. So back here, this is where we fire and load the gun. Right here, this is called our breech. Whenever we're ready to fire, we will throw a shell in this way, and we will close it as hard as we can. If we get like on this side of the 50-yard line, getting closer and closer to our end zone, then I'll have my guys load up the shell. I'll be out front. Whenever they're ready to go and I fire, I signal them to fire. They will push this trigger down. Once they score, then we wait for the press box to give us the okay. And then as soon as he does that, he'll give me a thumbs up, and then we let it rip. When we get a touchdown, we get a field goal or any kind of point, we fire it, get the crowd roaring, because the crowd loves the girl. You get whenever we fire the gun, it's really cool. Firing the gun, standing behind it, pressing that trigger, it's just, you're just making a big boom. It's like all the pressure inside your chest, and you're kind of sweating, you're kind of nervous, hoping you don't mess up, and that thing goes off, and it's just like, oh man, this is awesome.